see one of them there.
Sometimes I see double up. There's a rain, sir, and there's a fortune there at the foot of it. And a fairy tale life.
I don't think so.
Through Philadelphia and blood clot, Atlanta, a fairy tale country without a rainbow people. So they didn't get any rainbow there.
Double rainbow.
Al Pacino, il fuoco del bambino.
Yeah. I'm weighing my options. And that's the yellow.
We get them from the place and then say them are the good way to make.
Oh yeah, man. I find a building where I'm good.
Yeah.
I make sure you get the color code down.
Yeah.
Hi. Alright, so I'm weighing my mind what to do. I'm gonna give him a QSC sound and I'm gonna give him a unmarked sound. So yeah. So one of them will be QSC, one will be unmarked. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna use those two on the sucks. Play bass for the unmarked sound. But my unmarked sound for the QSC sound. And this is gonna be a one liquor rap by itself. Right, so that's where I'm going right now. See, look here. It's supposed to put one more ADs. One more the 80 16 to play the bass. See there? Show it up there. Yeah. Yeah. That for a touch, I'm done. This will put some QC, play the bass, you know. I'm have a QC sound over there, so we're done for play one Columbus, you know, two. Right, from Jamaica to Philly. So I'm gonna cover Atlanta.
I realize, yeah, may I come, baby? Take your time, man. Anything you need, man?
Yeah, man, alright, just let me get the drill them first.
Yeah, man,
start. Three look of sound I make today. Alright, that's how I start work. That's how I start work. Alright, that's how I start work. That's how I start. Speedy Gonzalez, because this have to turn on by 10 o'clock in the morning, that one, yeah. So I work like Speedy Gonzalez right now. Yeah, so. Yep, see, no white socks. Yep. So I'm moving. I'm just done rev it up. The plate and all these things on sit on my sit and do my bass my work on and then hook up. And then signal test. Actually I can done everything I done. I give myself 3.5 hours for done everything and that I done. I got an hour and a half, so yeah, man, I see. Oh man, I do. I make what's to set up a distro box. What's the distro box them? Yeah. That before I mean put it, it's my fine one and put it right there up on the ground.
Oh, what?
One of that. You see, now they say you see it?
No, I see one over there.
Yeah, me put on one right there so long unless your wife take it up by mistake.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me find you can put it there so long there. Yeah, man, see next one, see next crossover, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got directly night.
Alright, so I'm gonna so finish the bass now. Right on timing. I said 3.5 to 3 hours. I have an hour left to spare, so just I don't know.
So yeah, so you're gonna make me start a distro box, you know?
Yeah.
But
No.
I build more on distro box.
If you build your one, you just build your one.
Yeah,
Nothing
I
wrong with
build
that. You remember you're certified.
Everything fit already, you know?
Remember you're certified electrician now, bro.
Yeah. See the power
If me have time. Yeah. If me have the time, I sit down and make it. Because I take like an hour and a half once I have everything for done. Yeah, hour and a half, 2 hours. All this time I have to cut you up.
You cut up already everything.
Okay.
It cut up on everything. Actually, I have 2 in and out with the hubble. Everything we have. In and out.
See one of them. Share. See our YouTube.
Is he telling you what he cannot find again?
I'm not worrying about sitting right now. I'm just trying to get everything up and running because we have limited amount of time, so almost done. So for just the base input that I have left to finish now, and then
you see there? They may have all of them to go in there. At the back. In
yeah,
and
man,
out.
yeah, go on. So are them small thing at the front?
Them, yeah?
No, that a breaker.
Me have the breaker them.
No,
Special breaker. Then come mount it from the inside and screw in. And then flip, click, then go through the little hole.
Okay.
Yeah, 30 amp breakers.
Alright, when you're done, you finish that and you put it on.
Me have a 2 meter right here, so I have everything in and out. Me have all the components.
Alright, so why you never finish it?
Just because I never get no DIN rail to make the connection, but you know, you can join.
You don't have to use a DIN rail.
Yeah, just join them together with
Yeah, you don't have to use a DIN rail. In and out, yeah, in and out. I see you have a twist of them right here.
Me have a holy.
Yeah, I see you have a twist of them.
that
How
is-
make that cover the panel for you?
I mean, I'm a virgin cut them out. Me have told them I did.
No, me talk about the whole entire thing, the shell. What you use? Man?
Alright.
Oh, you have that shell,
Alright,
see?
empty pan line and just mark it out and just put this thing on it. And
Oh, you can get the bone thing, I like, it's so deep, you know?
Yeah.
A little bit too deep, yeah.
They identical. Me have the whole. Just have to
Alright.
and put the nut and bolt. Stop line.
Well, I have nothing against no one. I just have hold my own. Yeah. Alright, see it now. But that's I'm gonna do a little test. I do a little test. You see me? I do a little test and see.
You only want one. But you know, we have to get the back turn one. No, but you have to get the back.
Well, no, man, I want the back facing to me, man. We want the front facing to me, just like.
Give me a step back, man. Give me a step back, boy. But I'm not saying no, if the thing I like.
My turn. When you jump a cable,
I'm not saying
you jump reach. The line will plug in.
No, I try to close as possible.
The adapter, them have to look for the right adapter fit here. Adapter, then not gonna work. Enter park and off. Do the tune, you know. Yeah. Over say I go.
But the boy come on and play behind the building and face that way.
Okay, so it's a monitor system that over there, so.
Yeah, them do them thing. That's why you hear them.
She has set up her son, yeah. His name Trisha and a ramp with her. She has set up her son.
Next to it again?
No, you must show you spot you want to place.
Oh, okay.
And then we can split what you want. You want to get directly in front, so like.
Over here, so.
Right over here. You want to
Right there, so. Right there, so, mommy Trish. Set up your son. I beat up yellow today. Husband and wife too. Yeah, right there, so good. Yeah. Oh, you? No, sir, I'm not famous. This is a regular youth. Me just a regular youth who try my thing, you know?
Regular like Jamaica.
Alright. Why I make them visit my channel?
So, it's
I
just
tell
a
them YouTube channel.
regular youth.
Yes, see? And I'm not saying it.
So why it's my channel, eh?
Oh.
Send
DJ
some,
Chris 1876. I saw you all. 1876 you want? Alright.
So why tell the people them check out my channel.
Alright, DJ Chris 1876. A YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber and I'm just a Jamaican doing my little thing, you
Tell
know?
them come subscribe.
Yeah, tell him, man. It's alright. I'll text it to you, my dad.
Right out and drop the JD.
In a this your clash, yes. Although them say you got to worth 30 million silver. Yeah, you live forever. Him a go chop you like October. In a this your clash. In a this your clash. In a this your clash. Wow. In a this your clash. In a this your clash. Yes. Anyone can play a dub. The yellow movements play it better. Wow. How about that? Yeah, the most classic dub play a little bit. So me say yellow movement sometimes. So me say King Yellow big up yourself. Big up all the ones from City. Flag a man that don't know cross road. Little part for them talk. Whoa, whoa. To kill, we come to murder some boys. We kill and jump and sounds from near and far. Them can't duck with crown in a lyrical war. Oh, from a little dance on incentive, way down west in round here. Them two line here, be here, line here. We murder when I use it for your solo, them two line here. Them two here, yellow line. Say just take a picture and you know what's up. Tell them my idiot son boy won't make it out. We are murder, jump and sound in dance. Yellow movement sound come to kill them all. We come to murder sound. Husband and wife, my wife sound this over here so I'ma come do. Husband sound over there so. Yellow movements I kill them in a lyrical. Same name in a but, you know? Oh, enough jump and catch them afraid. Something can select to play his blind stuff. King Yellow sit here, smoking up them sense in the pipe. When yellow movements get tight. Oh, yes, we know another sound all of the time. King Yellow won't wait. Say kill another jump and sound boy with my dumb play. God, we murder jump and sound boy in dance. Movement sound come to kill them all. We come to make the sound boys. Killing jump and sounds from near and far. I'm going to say yellow movement sound. I'm going to say trees here. King Yellow. You got all I sent this sterling in so that I'm going to beg friend. Squeeze it. Oh yeah. Yellow movement sound, yes. Jump on someone and ask for it. Yellow movements have come here to boost no one. You ask for it. And you are tell people about say you are gonna die. You ask for it. You never hear we preaching violence. You ask for it. Someone face the consequence now. Know that we catch up with you. So when you tell people, say you wind up. I know say you're back only when you in a crew. I wouldn't even brag and boast if I were you. He that exalted himself shall be abased. Come on, what's up, yellow movement stuff with that two-face. You want free attack with gun, knife and mace. We heavily guarded, at time you are waste. You ask for it. Yellow movements never come here to boost no one. You ask for it. It's impossible. Tell the sun to leave the sky. It's just impossible. It says the program in the pick up copper. So, kill with the girl, murder the pussy them and now. Kill with the girl, murder the pussy them and now. It a end down, it head and it a flex like a sow. Say what a boy a more and it a go like it a pow. From a boy
so.
Feel the girl, murder the boy, them and now I say chalala.